We are in El Torcal, Spain, and it's a natural park on top of a mountain. If you are doing this path, you have to make sure that you look very closely into the map. The GPS always wants us to send us in the wrong direction. My feeling is that way. He sent us that way. God damn it. In 90 minutes the sun is going down. Oh my god. What the hell? Are we in danger? But first, breakfast. Coffee. Breakfast.
Okay.
And coffee. Fresh orange juice. Fruit. Wow. That was a really good breakfast, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Now we are going to hike in Torcal. It's an area with a very special rocks formation. We wanted to do that for a long time. And I'm going to stop talking now because they are working here and I'm going to explain later. So as I was saying, every time we are in Spain, somewhere in Spain, we see these pictures of El Torcal. It's a very special rock formation and sometimes we say, oh, we want to see that, but it was always too far to drive. So now we are just 1 hour drive from El Torcal and we're going to do that hike. I made one with Komoot. I don't know if you know that. Komoot is an app that you can put some hikes or drives or whatever, and you can make a map. So let's go and see some great nature. I hope it will be great nature, but I'm sure of it. And now we are on our way to the hotel back because I had a ticket for the parking, and but I forgot the small white paper that was connected to it. I was like, what is it doing there? It was for a purpose, because that's where it's written down which car I have. So he could not give me any key, so we have to go back to the hotel again, and then we have to go back to there. So
It's a nice walk.
good morning. And we're back. That white ticket was what we needed. But the best thing was, I ran up, came down with the ticket, and my wife said, do you have your mic, because there's a lot of wind and maybe it's the best thing. I said, oh, it's in my luggage. Well, it's okay. But then when I have to go back to the ticket, it just has to be like that, because now you can take your mic. I go outside the hotel and she says, do you got the mic? And I was like, go back up. Oh my god. I was so happy that I returned to the hotel to get my mic. There was a lot of wind. You can see it at the movement of my beard. But when I got home, I looked at the footage and the sound of my voice was not hearable. I think the sound of the wind was too much. El Torcal is an iconic landscape in the Antequera region of Andalusia, Spain. It reaches an elevation of 1307 meters above sea level at its highest point. It is a karst landscape characterized by its towering limestone formations and unique rock formations. The area is home to a diverse range of fauna and flora, including many species of birds, insects and plants found nowhere in the world, as the rock formation here provides valuable insights into the Earth's geological history. The park is both a natural and cultural treasure, offering visitors a chance to appreciate the beauty of the natural world, as well as the rich cultural heritage of the area.
Look there! How beautiful!
You go up, up, up. It's windy!
Yeah!
Windy!
Ah! Obélix! Ça va?
we are having problems. Are you hungry? No? But it's kind of a pot. Kind of. No?
Imagination.
So this was the first time we did not see a clear walking path anymore. So we decided to stop and eat something and took a closer look at the map. But suddenly I could not find my water bottle anymore. No! I lost my water bottle. I go back and search it. I cannot find my water bottle anymore. Oh, I found it. There it is. Yes. Got it. I was nearly giving up. Okay.
Where was it?
Got it. It was far away.
Where you peed?
No, not that far.
You cannot see one single path.
But you see animals there.
Where?
They are behind the bushes. If you are doing this path, you have to make sure that you are look very closely into the map, so you're not distracted or you're not going off the path too far, because it's not clear, it's not signed, it's not a clear line. So, but just some, what do you say in English? Box? Springbok? It's yeah, I think it's springbok. Just crossing us, jumping on this rock formation. You have it?
Yeah.
Oh, this was a magical moment for me. It was crazy. This is so cool here.
What do you do?
I don't know, rock climbing or something. I think we are on the highest peak.
Watch out.
Hello. We have problems finding the path. Now I'm too warm dressed. Oh my god. Such beautiful scenery. Great adventure. Again. Oh my god. I This is challenging, isn't it? Listen, if you want to see El Torcal, you don't have to do this walk like we do. This is not, I repeat, this is not the official small hikes of El Torcal. So where you are having the parking space, where you park the car, there's 2 small hikes. Later on we are coming to that 2 small parts. The best part of El Torcal, the most beautiful things to see. But we always want to do something extra. These 2 small hikes, they are just too small for us. There is also a problem with GPS. He flips and we were heading to the wrong direction. It was really strange. I was really disorientated. I don't want my wife to hear it, but I hope we'll get there until the sun goes down. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. Are we in danger?
I'm scared now.
I'm sure it's from a natural cause. We are not in Africa. We are approximately back on track. So I'm not planned to get lost today. But there was a small stress moment. We lost our way again. The GPS always wants us to send us in the wrong direction. My feeling is that way. He sent us that way. I know the feeling is not good. Let's hope. God damn it. In 90 minutes the sun is going down. We have to find it. Oh my god. You just found it here.
Yeah. So nice.
And by the way, we just saw parking space. I was right. It was that direction. How cool is this? The fossil. Jesus. How cool is this? We are lucky. Now we have to do the official walks. We still have to do the official walks. Found it! The street! You found the street! So now we are going to start just the official walks. There's one from 45 minutes until 2 hours. But now we're going to do 45 minutes because now the sun is really going down. Lucky we found it. Oh. What was that? Wasn't that good, eh?
Oh.
Now it's really getting very cold. So, to sum up, I told you I was going to do the GPX in the description. I'm not going to put that. I don't want you to get lost. You don't have any reach here on top of that mountain, and not just no reach for 4G or 5G, no internet, but no GPS. The satellite is completely throwing you off the line, and it's not a clear path. It's just not a clear path. So I'm not going to put that in the description, the GPX that we did today. I don't want you to get lost. So if it's really, really, really beautiful here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's really beautiful.
But just do the official hike. That's my big tip. You have one for 2 hours, so that's a good one. You can go around the park. That's also a good one. But it's not starting here. We were lucky, I guess. At some point, it was just the sun was going down, and if it's getting dark here, I don't know if you can orientate yourself. Do you think it?
I don't know. It looks all the same.
But it was a good day. It was a good hike. Just the end was really stressy. Okay, I want to eat something, and now driving back to Malaga. Oh, pizza, pasta. Buon appetito. Dessert. With the. Is it good?
Yes. I'm happy.